Hi everyone, I'm Vanessa. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unbox some of the products that I have recently purchased. I'm actually a member of Atomy, if any one of you are familiar with that brand. Even though I'm a member, I do not distribute and I don't go out there to find people under me to support me. I am merely a consumer. So here you are. I have Atomy parcel here with me. Let me unbox this with you. Here we have Atomy Ethereal Oil Patch. I have been using this oil patch for over 3 years now. Whenever I have cough, flu, or even muscle pain, this helps. So over here are 55 patches altogether, and there are actually 11 sachets in each of the package. This oil patch has been really helpful for me, because every time when I have muscle pain, flu or cough, for cough I can just apply it here, just cut it in small patches and just put it here, and when I have flu, cut into small pieces and patch it and put the patch on my nose. I prefer to put on patches compared to inhaling hot bath. You might want to give this brand a try. This would be the second item that I will be unboxing. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so here I have Shogun Japan deep fryer with induction. So this is actually the marble series that I purchased. If you can see, there you are. So this is such a nice fry pan. Look at this. Look at the texture. This is very convenient. Okay, let's put this aside. Look at this. I bought this saucepan. If you can see, it's Shogun Japan saucepan. It's also marble series. This is such a nice portion for 2 to 4 person meals. It comes with this glass lid, so it is very helpful. It comes in one set. Right, I can't wait to try this too. Fry pan and saucepan that I have here that comes with this glass lid. It would be very helpful for me. Let's look at our next product. This is pretty huge. I have the lid here with me. Let's put this here. I have the pot. Can you see the pot? Here you are. I have currently with me here is the Chef One Collection pressure cooker. You can see here. So I'm excited to try this electric pressure cooker. If you could recall, in my much earlier vlog, I have also purchased some of the cookware from Gourmet, which are the roaster as well as the chopper. So far I find that the roaster is really helpful, especially when it involves meals that I want to grill or fry. I would just put in the roaster and it is all good to go. I don't need to spray in extra oil. Just put a dash of oil, that's it. That is all required when I cook using my roast. In support of local businesses and products, I'm very excited to unbox this. My order for this package came all the way from Kuching, Sarawak. This package is from the theorycandle. Oh, look at their wrapping. It really looks nice. You see? Here I have purchased several different candles, several different scented candles. Okay, this is La Vie en Rose. It smells really nice. By just unlocking this jar, this candle jar, I could already smell the sweet scent of rose. Let's look at the second one. I like the way they wrap it, you know. It's so authentic. It shows that they bring in their brand and show in such a way. So this is actually my favorite scent of all. Normally when I get to try scented candle, the first thing I'll check is that whether they do have lavender smell. I'm lucky that the theorycandles have this scent. Oh, this really smells refreshing. This really smells nice. Okay. This is my second jar. Okay, this is sensational. It's so cute, isn't it? Their products are being wrapped in this kind of paper wrapper, put in the box, and with the scent in a jar. So this is make it a memory. It smells so sweet. I love the smell. Sweet scent really does make the relaxation moment as a really good sleeping session. So I have here with me is Sun-Kissed. Okay. This smells nice too. Okay, so I have actually bought a total of 5 different scents from the theorycandle, and I love all those 5 scents that they have. The theorycandle seem to have awesome range of scented candles, and as we speak right now, they are currently still developing more of their scented candle range. If you were to head over to my description in this video, you click on the theorycandles link, and you start purchasing their products, and you put them in your cart, and at the point where you were to check out, you put in your promo code VANESSACOLLIN'S10, and you get to enjoy 10% off of your total purchase here. This is a really awesome discount that you can enjoy out of your purchase of scented candles. I'm actually very excited, wanting to try and to light their hand-poured scented candle. My next product need no introduction to the public because it seems like everyone is a member of this product. So here I have with me is the Young and Living product that I will be unboxing right now. I do not sell this product. I am merely a consumer, and I don't take in downline for myself. So if you like to join, you can head over and find someone who currently using this product and are looking for a downline for themselves. So let us unbox this. Here with me, this is actually mixed fruit drink, and I purchased 2 bottles of this, and I can't wait to have them. Together with my 2 bottles of Ningxia, I have my German chamomile that I have recently ordered, and in that box itself. Okay, so I can't wait to try this as well. So if you were to ask me when would I normally apply my essential oil, I would say I'm always attracted to fragrance. So most of the time I would apply them before bed to my skin. Another way of me applying my essential oil is after shower, where I apply them to my damp hair. Especially like me, I'm the type of person who likes to curl my hair, and I use hot rod to do it. I will also normally color my hair, and it's pretty strong chemical that I put on my hair. So when I apply this essential oil onto my hair looks much more healthier than it was previously, for sure. Maybe like for me, I drop a couple of drops of the essential oil into my hair oil. My current hair oil is just a normal brand of almond oil. Just put a few drops and mix them together and just apply them to my damp hair and dry the hair, you know, because normally when I use hair dryer, it's also really hot, and I'll just leave it there, and you know, I just leave it dry. I dry my hair using hair dryer, and it could cause break ends to my hair, and most of the time I would drop several drops of essential oil into my diffuser, which I place it in my kitchen, because after cooking I would like to freshen up my kitchen and not have food smell in my kitchen. So that is where I diffuse my essential oil. You know that I love cooking, and every time we cook there will be smell that is attached to the kitchen. My solution to those smell is to diffuse my kitchen, to diffuse the kitchen area. This box contains my essential need. Before I go further into this box, I would just like to share that I have actually bought only 6 items from Innisfree, and I received this whole box, and it's not light, it's heavy. I have actually received a lot of free gifts from Innisfree from this box itself. Out of the 6 items that I bought, I always share with people around me and tell them that I never regretted joining Innisfree member. Not only I get to enjoy free gifts every time that I purchase their products, I also get to earn points and redeem the points at my next purchase. So let me show you what I have. Okay, these are actually my free gifts, the free gifts that I get. Okay, this are just some of those free gifts that I received. Some more free gifts. I actually bought this. Okay, this is Innisfree Jeju Cherry Blossom Gem Cleanser. Okay, and then I bought this Innisfree Apple Seed Bubble Cleanser. clear volcanic clay mousse mask. Brightening pore, caring, hydrating. This is the brightening pore serum set, which this is actually also the free gifts that were given to me. Jeju cherry blossom jelly cream. Okay, this jelly cream, it helps me a lot, especially if I feel burn on my skin and discomfort, or before bed as night cream. And I have volcanic calming pore clay mask. This is actually special set. I bought this, and they are, look at the free gifts that I received. I bought 6 and I received a lot of their free gifts. So, and I have another 2 tiny tubs of free gifts. Okay, so this is really satisfying. This is why I love Innisfree product. If you have not have their membership, you would want to have that now, because it's really worth it. Like me, I use their product day in day out on daily basis, so I really need a brand that could sustain my purchase, because this elsewhere it might really cost a bomb, and here, even though it is costly, but you also receive free gifts, as well as you gain points, and you can redeem their points and that point provide you discounts on your next purchase. So it's really worth it. You might want to think and decide about this later. I am very excited to open this next box. This is me supporting local businesses and products, so I can't wait to unbox this actually. What I have here is Sambal Garing Bilis. It's actually anchovies being fried. It's fried anchovies. It's spicy fried anchovies. Okay, normally when you have this, you can either sit in front of the TV and munch this, or when you stir fry your vegetable, for example long bean, you put this in to add flavor to it. And another method is when you make porridge, rice porridge, you drop this in at the point where you want to eat it, so to put more flavor, to add more flavor into your porridge. I've heard from people that have tried this that this really tastes awesome, and I really can't wait to have this. So I bought several, and I intend to get this as gifts and giveaways. I have actually tried their paste, and I really love Dappo Paste itself. It is really convenient. What they have here on right now are the salted egg paste here and Nyonya Rendang. Okay, so these paste actually, they are really convenient. What I did was I did stir fry beef, and I added Nyonya Rendang into my stir fry. Just add some coriander leaf, curry leaves, and a bit of water, and some salt. And you know, if you want to make it spicy, it's up to you. But this is really convenient, where I just need to pour this in. I don't need to blend any extra ingredients other than the meat that I want to add into as my rendang. Okay, so for people who are really busy working and don't have time to make the sauce from scratch, to create your sauce from scratch, this paste would be really helpful. And for salted egg paste, when you have prawns or you want to make salted egg chicken, you know, like nestem chicken flavor like that, you can always put this in. So I have provided their Shopee link into my description here, and as well as their Instagram link. They would have sales from time to time, so do check out their link and their products. They might have some other product in development. I have tried cooking using their products and I love them, and I can't wait to try their Bilis, because this would be something that I would like to have sitting on the sofa while watching TV. So basically, Dappo Paste product is a must-try product. If you're looking for easy cooking paste, go straight to Dappo Paste Instagram website, as well as their Shopee link that I have append here in my description. And if you're looking for scented candles, you can always go to the Theory Candles via the link that I have provided here. I have provided the link for all the products that I have unboxed today, so check it out in my description below. My makeup, particularly my eyeshadow today, is from L'Oreal La Palette Nude Rose, and my lip cream here, and my lip cream is from Giorgio Armani Drama Nude 512. My accessories today are from Shinju Pearls, which includes my aventurine bracelet, my moonstone ring, my bee pendant, which is with Swarovski stone, as well as fresh water pearl, and last but not least, my dangling earring here, which is made out of amethyst gemstone. The link for their Instagram and Facebook I append herein in my description. I hope you like my unboxing session today, and I hope to share with you more of the products that I will be purchasing and I have purchased, which is still on the way. Hope to see you soon in my next vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye!